Russian motorized infantry units operating in the front line continue to receive a huge number of upgraded BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicles with significantly enhanced protection. The modernized BMP-2s were equipped with additional armor plates and case armor installed in the front of the hull and turret, as well as on the sides and aft. The upgraded BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicle is expected to bring outstanding advantages to the Russian motorized infantry. As noted, these are the BMP-2M Breast Hawk infantry fighting vehicles with the BO5SO11 upgrade package, which proved to be significantly stronger than the original BMP-2 series that the Russian army had used before. The upgrade package, first introduced at the Army 2015 exhibition, is a legacy solution from the old work of the BKP Design Institute. The BMP-2M is supplemented with a thermal infrared viewfinder similar to the Cessna U mounted on the T-72B3 and T-90A main battle tanks, along with a meteorological sensor allowing for clearer target recognition. The firepower of the infantry fighting vehicle, in addition to the traditional 30mm 2A42 main gun, is also supplemented with two 9M120 Atacama anti-tank missile launchers and an optional automatic grenade launcher AGS-30. The most noticeable on this version of the BMP-2M is the case armor that blocks the RPG-7 style anti-tank rounds. While the weight is still at an acceptable level, does not affect too much maneuverability. There is also information that the installation of the special armor plates, which increase the protection of the chassis against the impact of improvised explosive devices or anti-tank mines, is also planned. The BMP-2M Breast Hawk infantry fighting vehicle with the modernization package BO5SO11 was selected by Russia as the standard upgrade configuration for its BMP-2 vehicles. But before 2022, the upgrade process is quite slow. The reality of the battlefield shows that armor vehicles like the BMP-1 or 2 have too thin armor and are vulnerable to enemy anti-tank fire, prompting Russia to urgently deploy the above modernization package. The modernized BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicles are expected to give the Russian motorized infantry a much better offensive capability than before, as well as increase the level of protection for the troops inside. In addition, similar additional armor has also been developed for the BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicle, the BTR-82A armor personnel carrier, and a number of other light armor vehicles in the field. In the future, the aforementioned armor upgrade configuration is likely to be integrated on armor vehicles exported by Russia to foreign countries, if requested by customers.